Hello, so I recently moved out and this is a tour of my new room. This is an IKEA lamp I bought like 5 years ago and I just hung it up recently because I did not feel like hanging it up before. This is my new bed. I have some like day bed that I got from Walmart. It's pretty cool. This is my little projector that projects stars and like galaxy stuff on the ceiling. This is my display case. I got this whole case on Facebook Marketplace for $0 so that is a pretty good deal. This is my JoJo's figures, my NieR and Drakengard figures. And then up on top I have all my Guilty Gear figures. Over here I have my Silent Hill nurse mask I made, my Furbies, more Furbies, my vendor and attendee badges for conventions, and some Fallout and more Furbies at the bottom. Up there I have some manga, a few figures, and over here I have my custom made Emil curtains. They are blackout curtains. Then behind it is just my window. Here I have this little Charmander I got at a convention. Here's my refrigerator I also got on Marketplace. Some more NieR stuff, plushies up on top. Here's a few prints I got at conventions and some that I printed out myself. There's another window, but it's covered by a NieR Reincarnation flag. This is my PC. I built this in May for my birthday. I don't remember what case it is because the case was part of the birthday gift. Believe the graphics card is a 7900 Radeon. CPU, I want to say Ryzen 7. 34 gigs of RAM. Liquid cooled, blah 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 blah. I don't really remember the details, to be honest. Here's this little Ariosh Drakengard keychain I made. Here's some more prints. Two of these I bought, or blah, blah, blah. Two of those I made, and then the one on the bottom I bought. It's my drawing tablet and my little Divum speaker thingy. I have a Huion Canvas 13. It's very good. I have my photo printer that I got for $10 at a Goodwill. This is my gaming chair. It was $250. I can put the link in the description. It has a massager on the back and then it fully reclines with these levers on the side here. Here's my TV, my Drakengard rug. This is an X-Rocker. I don't remember exactly which model. That was a gift for Christmas a few years ago. Here's my Emil puppet, my Switch, my controllers, my PS5, and my PS3. I have a 4K 120Hz TV. I have some of my Drakengard and NieR games up here. I never really put them away because I play them the most, so I just leave them out on top. There's a few stickers in there as well. Here are my full body trackers. I just have the chargers over there because it's easier. I have that little lamp for my boyfriend. Here's where my cat's bed is and their little tree and scratching post. It unbuttons on the top and you can fold it over so it can be like an open bed or like a little cave.